Feel like a chicken.
What?
I felt that one.
Wow, I felt everything crack at once. Can I crash? Ooh. Oh, wow. Wow. That went straight down.
So what's going on? So no pain or anything?
No pain.
No pain. You basically came for assessments to make sure things are aligned and functioning properly. We're looking at straightness here.
Yeah.
And obviously see the deviation.
Yeah.
But then you don't have pain.
No, I don't
And
have
that's why I always tell people that depending on your pain tolerance, misalignments can be going on, but then you won't really feel it because of you have a high pain threshold.
Yeah.
So you came in with no pain, and then obviously we see things that can be corrected and improved on. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, wow. Oh, fuck. That was good. Feel like a chicken.
What?
Ooh. I felt that one. I felt that one. Oh!
Are we done? Wow, I felt everything crack at once. Damn. Can I crash?
After, not yet.
Wow, that feels so good. Damn.
Relax.
Ooh.
Ooh. Bring the head over, relax. Head.
Ooh.
So what I'll do is I'll stretch, and then I'll make a quick adjustment.
Yeah.
Hands to your side, and back to your stomach.
Oh, wow. Shit. Wow. That went straight down.
How did you feel it?
Good.
Where did you feel it down?
Yeah, all the way down. Like, at the back.
When it happened, it was kind of
Yeah, very
surprising,
fast,
and then
yeah.
it kind of relaxed. You can stand. How do you feel?
Feel light, like feel like I just swam, like very like
Just
easy,
exercise.
yeah.
You feel soreness?
No, not really.
Not really.
Not really, no.
So you rest for about 15-20 minutes,
No problem.
then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Okay?